In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Gamma AI subscription in 2026. First, open Gamma AI on your PC or laptop and log in to the account that has the active subscription. Once you're inside Gamma, open your profile or account menu and look for the Settings, Billing, Plan, or Subscription section. The exact location may vary depending on the current Gamma interface. Open the Subscription or Billing section and look for an option related to managing your plan. If you see a Cancel Subscription or Cancel Plan option, select it to begin the cancellation process. Gamma may show you information about your current subscription, billing period, or what happens after cancellation. Read these details carefully before confirming. You may also be asked why you want to cancel or whether you're sure about your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions and continue with the cancellation process. Before confirming, check the cancellation date and make sure you understand whether you'll continue to have access to paid features until the end of your current billing period. Once the cancellation is confirmed, check your account or subscription page to make sure the plan status has been updated. It's also a good idea to save a confirmation email or screenshot of the cancellation for your records, especially if you were paying for a subscription. Remember, canceling a subscription is not necessarily the same as deleting your Gamma account. If you only want to stop future subscription charges, you may not need to delete your entire account. If you don't see a cancellation option inside Gamma, check how the subscription was originally purchased. If it was managed through another payment platform or service, you may need to cancel it through that same service. Also keep in mind that Gamma's subscription options and interface can